Hello students, today we will discuss last exercise of second chapter, exercise 2.7. In this exercise, you will learn how to divide decimal number by a whole number and by a decimal number. So start with the first question, and first question is find 0.4 divided by 2. For solving first part of question number 1, first we simply divide 4 by 2. So when we divide 4 by 2, we have 2 as our answer. Now look at this fraction. Here decimal is placed one digit from the right side, before one digit from the right side. So we put decimal in our answer one digit from the right side. So we have 0.2 as our answer. Second part of this question is 0.35 is divided by 5. So first we simply divide 35 by 5. When we divide 35 by 5, we have 7 as our answer. Now look at this decimal number. There is decimal is placed 2 digit from the right side. So we also put our decimal sign from the two digit of the right side in our answer. So we have 0.07 as our answer. In this manner, you can solve remaining parts of the first question. Now move to our second question. Second question is find the division of 4.8 by 10. In my previous video, I already discussed about how to multiply a decimal number with 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So it is the reverse process of that one. In the multiplication, we shift our decimal from the left side to the right side, but in the division, we shift our decimal from the right side to the left side according to the 0 we have in the denominator. So here is 10. So our decimal is shifted from the right side to the left side one place, and we have 0.48 as our answer. Shifting of decimal is depend upon how many zeros you have. In the second part, we have 52.5 and it is divided by also 10. So here is also 10. So our decimal is shifted only one place from the right side to the left side. So we have 5.25 as our answer. Third, in this manner you can solve remaining parts of the second question. Now move to our third question. In third question, we have to divide our decimal number by 100. So first question is 2.7 is divided by 100. Here is 2 zeros in the 100. So our decimal is shifted 2 place from the right side to the left side. So we have 0.027 as our answer. Now move to its second part, and its second part is 0.3 is divided by 100. Here is also 20 in the 100. So our decimal is shifted from the right side to the left side by the two places. So we have 0.003 as our answer. In this manner, you can solve remaining parts of the third question. Fourth question is similar to the third and second question. Now move to our fifth question, and fifth question is 7 is divided by 3.5. So students, when you have decimal number in the denominator portion, first remove decimal from the denominator. So here is 3.5, and for removing the decimal, from here we should multiply our denominator and numerator by 10. So we have 70 upon 35. Now simply divide 70 by 35 and we have 35 2s are 70 and we have 2 as our answer. Take one more question one more part from the fifth question. We have 36. In the second part we have to divide 36 by 0.2. Here is also decimal number in the denominator. So first we remove decimal from the denominator. For this we multiply it by 10. It is depend upon how many digits are there after the decimal. So after multiplication we have 360 divided by 2. 360 divided by 2. When we divide 360 by 2 we have 180 as our answer. By applying this method you can solve remaining part of the fifth question. Now move to our last question, and last question is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? For solving this question, first we write distance covers in 2.4 liter of petrol and it is 43.2 km. Then we write distance will cover in 1 liter of petrol. For this we divide 43.2 by 2.4. As we all know, when we have decimal number in the denominator, first we remove decimal from the denominator. So for removing the decimal from the denominator, we multiply our denominator and numerator by 10. So when we multiply our denominator and numerator by 10, we have 432 in the numerator and 24 in the denominator. Then we simply divide 432 by 24. After the division we have 18 as our answer. So distance will cover in 1 liter of petrol is 18 kilometer.